To install the bottom track, insert the screen tab into the zipper guide. Push against the mesh welding to confirm zipper and track are joined. Use the extension bit to fasten the bottom track with the 2-inch screws. And repeat throughout the length of the bottom track. Repeat the process with the top track. Pull up the mesh tab and insert into the top track zipper guide. Push against the mesh welding to confirm zipper and track are joined. Use the extension bit to fasten the top track with the 2-inch screws. To make sure the screen is running smoothly, make sure to maintain a 1/8 inch spacing between the top track and the pull bar throughout the length of the track.